Right, I'm going to quickly show you how to set up your own Google site. So when you've opened up your Google and you've got your front Google page, up here is the little squares which is your Google Apps. So if you click on that, go to Sites. Once in Sites, go to Create, and you can just use a blank template, or you can go here and browse the gallery, which I'm going to quickly do. I'm going to go to there, and then you can quickly find a template that you might like to use. At any time you can go back and you can change how it looks. So I might just pick that one. And select it. Then you have to have a name of your site, so I'm just going to put my PR Professional Learning, and it comes up here, and this is what your URL will be. So once you've done that, create. So now you've created your Google site. So now this is how my site looks. Now just some quick things. Page, click there for a new page. Put in the heading, so I might put numeracy, and for now I'm just as it's actually how to do a list, so as a list, and then I go create. So now I've got my first page, and as I said, I put it as a list. So to do this, it's best to use your own create your own template. So I'm going to use template. I might have a new column, and it sort of goes in columns. So column name for this one would be video, and I want it to be a URL. My next column might be readings. That's going to be once again a URL, and I might have another column of just a title, and I want that as a text. So I can also move them up and down just using the little arrows like this. Oops. So with the arrows, click it there again, and I just want it up there, and I can save. And this is what my page will look with my list. So when I want to add an item, I click add an item, and my title for this one might be online games. I might have a video. Right, so I'm going to put in my video. I've got another tab open. I'm just going to click on this YouTube link, and when it goes here, I'm hoping that this will, I click on there, copy, and then I'm going to put that web juice in there, and I might put just a title or something, and that might be all I actually want to put this time, and then I go save. So when I've got my items saved, they come up here, and if I click on video, it will take me to that video that I had inserted. So the other thing, even when you do a page like this, if I click the pencil, that tells me I can edit it, and I can just type in anything here. This page is to support numeracy classroom, and then once you've done it, you can change your font size, you can change your colour of your text, oops, paste to highlight them, colour of your text, change it again, I can change the type of text, not a great deal there. I can also just move it along, just like any web page or document, and then just make sure you save it. Right, so you can just, once again, that's adding a new page, and I might put professional readings, and I'm just going to have it straight as a web page this time. You might also choose here where you want to put it. I'm going to create that page, and I'm just going to save it because I'm not going to put anything on it. And if I go home, now as you can see, my pages, new pages, are not showing up. I might want to edit my front page too. You might want to put something on there, but we can do that some other stage. Now I've created 2 pages, but they're not showing up. So here I need to go to edit site layout. That's my header. I want to click on horizontal there. Oops, go back there. Still need my header because I need that home page. I want event calendar. I don't want that anymore, so I'm going to click there and go delete. I don't want my gallery. I'm going to delete that too. But I did 2 pages, my numeracy, so I'm going to go OK. Sometimes you have to type it in, and so that's now sitting there under my home page. My next one was my professional reading, so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go OK, and they're in the order I want. And here I'm now going to change it to tabs and click OK. So then they become the tabs along here. I'm just going to go back to, oops, put that back. So now you can see my new pages here, and I'm going to close that. So if I might just create another page, and even though I've put numeracy under that, I might create a new page there for teaching of Strand, other Strand, and I just want that as a plain out web page. I've created it. So as you can see, it's not showing up, or it won't show up here. I'm not going to put anything in there, so I'm just going to save it for now. I'm going to go back into here, edit site layout. Sidebar, I'm going to click off that because I don't want my sidebar. So I'm going to click on my home page, and I need to add another page, and it's showing there. I click on that. Okay, so now it's showing up there, but I want it actually under my numeracy, so I want it as a drop down. So using the arrows, I move it up to, oops, under numeracy, and I'm going to put it to the side, so that means it's linked under. And the other thing I'm going to do is just get rid of that tick for the sitemap. Go OK, and now my sitemap's gone. And if I click on, oops, I'm going to close that. And now if I click on there, it comes up with my teaching of other Strand. It's my home, numeracy, and teaching of other Strand. So that's the general of how you can set up a Google site.